Hello guys, welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update of the day before the Shabbat starts. Want to share with you what I think about the market today. I remind you, this is not a financial advice, so make sure you have your own opinions and do your own research and all. And let's dive right into it. Daily chart, regular, basic, no indicators, no nothing, and we see only the levels that we watch for. And after this red nice candle that we had, I hope that everybody is okay. So today we see this green candle, okay, again, and it seems like we hold support for now on this line, and we even now break a little bit this line, and we start to move upwards, and there is a move up, and everybody is again happy. And like always, I'm also happy when it's up, but I also look for chances to see where the market tricks us and what it's gonna do. So if you've been following, you know I've posted in the Discord server that right now I'm still short. I still didn't close it. Also didn't stop loss, but we now see what is happening, because it's the price is bulling a little bit, so maybe it is time for me to close it. But I'm not the issue. The issue is what market will do. And what I think about today is this thing. Generally, because of yesterday, this big candle was very, very threatening, okay? So I think many people went into short, okay? Those who were liquidated by the dump, maybe if they got money left, they went short, in my opinion, because it was a strong move down, and yesterday everybody felt that it's gonna go down more, and we hear the talks about 10k and all, and even I say 10k, maybe less. And to be honest, I still wait for this maybe to happen, to play out. This is still on the table. And why I think it's still on the table is because, like I always say, when the red candle hits, okay, when it's going already here, it's already most of the chances that it is late, because the market makers, they know how to do this, and they first they scare us, and if you didn't take the short here, so actually you already late. This is the reality, in my opinion. And once people, like we talked about yesterday, once people entered here on this area because of the panic, because it was probably even below 21 EMA and all those things, so we can see that market today pushes up, and it not only underwaters the shorts that entered today, it also cleans the stops and all the orders, the limit stops that were here, because people who shorted and they see they are in profit, they immediately put stops, and this many times actually stops them from profit, because if it's now was like a stop hunt of this area, and price will go down, so it means that the top shorters of this area are actually taken out of the market. And of course, if price will dump, you will hear the top shorters that will say, oh no, look at these stops, they took me out of the market and it went down without me, boo-boo. But we don't know what is going to happen, and we have to wait. What I think today is I want to see, because we now break to this line, maybe we hold this line for support, so this area, this range is the next range, so I want to see if the day is actually closing again around here, but I don't believe it will get to this high, because it's where the sell-off was. I think it will go maybe somewhere 2012 200, yes, something like this, maybe 12,600, okay, but that's just the speculations kind of thing. because again, like I watched this because now the shorters are trapped here. So again today, because of this green candle, it means that people who still believe in the uptrend, they will enter, in my opinion. Okay, people who afraid to be on short, they will close. Also, late shorters and high leverage shorters will be liquidated, and this all means, in my opinion, this as the chance for it to up is there. Okay, I get it. So if it's up, it's up. We all know what to do. We press the green button and we move the stop loss. So it's simple, in my opinion. But if it catches the down, it also means that it might be right now like a trap in all this area again, along with everybody that entered here with the longs. And if they don't close and if they don't take profit, it might dump more, in my opinion. But we have to follow. Okay. So if we change to Heikei Nashi candles, then we add the BB bands in the BitcoinMF strategy. Okay, what we can see, we do a quick run up of the day of the time frames, and right now we can see that also we get some alerts on the Telegram channel, and we can see that like now it says short Bollinger BTC USD 60 minutes. Okay, but it only means that it is the mimicator, so it's very cautious with this because it's only the Bollinger Bands right now that is like singling short, so it might also continue to go up for now. And okay, let's go on. If we add the mimicators, like always, what I watch still today is to see even if the price going up. Okay, I know it's going up, it's okay for me, but I want to see if the RSI is starting to curve up as well, and if not, I want to see if it heads more down soon. So I want to see if it meets the 50 level as daily support, because like you know, I always say that if it is above the RSI 50, so it's kind of like a bull territory. And I don't care how many people say RSI is a meme, I still say this because I see it's working for me. Okay, 4 hours, we can see here again, you see this is the big move down. It went a little bit more down and it saved, the price was saved kind of, and now we are again above the RSI 50, and again we are above the green candles, and also the MACD is signaling us that it might go into the positive phase. And if it is plays out and will go to the positive phase here, it means that bears that didn't close will have to sustain this move until the market decides if it wants to go more up or down in the near hours. Okay, on the 1 hourly chart we can see a baby top action. We can see the line of this resistance or support is testing, and we can see that the EMA is about to bull cross. And like I say in the Discord server many times about the bear cross, when it's it works the both directions the same. When it's about to cross, so the smart bulls are like kind of seeing it's going to cross, and they say, oh, I'm longing already now because I don't want to long after it crosses, I'm not stupid. So they go long, and the market is like seeing this, they go long and they say, oh, no problem, you want bull cross, I give you the bull cross, and price drops to the around here area. Okay, and from here it can test again, and the chances are like again 50-50 in my opinion, if it once it goes up and if it once it goes down. But for this to actually paint a bull cross, the fastest way is actually, in my opinion, that price will first fall. After 1-2 red candles, it can maybe go down more and continue to paint us the bull cross. But if the bear step in, it will go lower, so we don't get a bull cross. We get the the bear. I don't know what to call it. Not cross. Okay, and also I watch this here. Some also say mim shmim. I watch this. I don't care. Stochastic RSI is painting us what is the RSI is doing, and here you can see that if this is true, and if no manipulation will be right now, so the RSI will shoot up again like mad. So this should be going down. Why this should be going down? Because it's like topping, and if the RSI a little bit will go down a little bit, so it's already will start here curving down. And this curve down, it might suggest that it is a start of a down move. But again, it's only 1 hour, so be careful, okay? Also, we only started this hour, but we need the volume. Volume is key for sustaining the price action, and this is very much important. 30 minutes. Let's see what we see. Again, we see the bull cross. And like I said before, now I wait to see if the price actually coming down a little bit, because we are actually after the bull cross. And it's not always like as simple as the bull is crossing and we go up. It's not always this simple. And when it's too simple, I always put more caution. I don't know how to explain this. When it's too easy, it means something is wrong. This is how I look at it. At least at my world, it is like this. I don't know what about you, but I share what I know. You know me already. Okay, on the 15 minutes scalpers time frame, you can see that right now testing this line again for resistance, and if this actually can't break and hold the support, so of course we get more sideways or down. And again, the EMA first EMA of the strategy is the first stop, this is the second stop, the BB is the third stop, and so on, along with the lines, along with the patterns that we get updates for. And again, if you didn't join and you want to see what I talk about, all the links are in the description. If you want to get the demo of the pattern scanner for your local computer, so you have all the settings and you can decide how you want the patterns, and you can decide how much you want the stochastic RSI and all of this shit. If you want to play with it, the demo is open. All you need to do is to sign the newsletter. I don't care with any email, just get them the link that will be sent to you in the mail. I won't send any promotions, so don't worry. And it's there for us to be able to see what can be done and how I trade and how I do it. And that's all. That's my best I can do for today. I hope it helps somebody today. Trade safe, guys. Good luck, and Shabbat Shalom for today. And I see you maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday. We see what the mood brings us. I don't want to post something if I don't have nothing to say too much, okay? But again, the Discord server is where I update first. This is my baby, and this is what's important to me. So make sure if you want to follow, and if you don't like to follow, you can leave a like, you can subscribe, you can comment, you can engage with the content, you can feed the algorithm, do all the things that most haters do. They're really good at it, and I really enjoy it, okay? So again, trade safe, make those profits. Last thing I forgot for today, it is important. We look at the pivots, The pivots, we can see that right now we again above the R1, but this last candle is threatening us, but still is like holding. But also this is kind of like a bearish engulfing, although it's not complete yet, because it needs to engulf before we can say it's a bearish engulfing, if you know what I mean. And again, simple, the basic setup of basic every trader, in my opinion. And also I watch this, and also I sometimes even trade this. It's okay. In my opinion, it is good. When the EMA 21, when the price is above, the bull control, okay? When the price is below, the bears control it. But of course, it's not always that easy. It's not mean that if it goes above here you long, because you see what happens, you go long and then it goes red and you don't know what to do. But again, we look at this, and right now we want to see, bulls want to see this R1 as support, of course, and to go up from here. And bears, of course, want to see this as resistance and to go below the EMA 21 and to even go to test support of this line. And extreme bears will also say that they want to break it and go to here, okay? And I watched this today to see what is going on and to react accordingly, because also I am open short. And if price starts to pump suddenly, again above those levels, so I need to close at least at break even. I don't talk about profit yet, but for me it's at least break even, because I think that it's maybe not so good to close, because if the move down will continue, so I feel I will kind of feel stupid for not staying in this short, because it will be like the top short, okay? And again, the chances that they let little lazy to short the top is not so in my opinion high. So again, not everything that shines is gold, as my daddy told me. And that's it. I hope this was understandable and helpful. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.